Hey everyone, did you know that one YouTube video can become 10 or even 20 LinkedIn posts in less than 10 minutes? In this video, I will show you how exactly you can turn your YouTube videos into engaging LinkedIn posts using AI. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. So, LinkedIn isn't just for job seekers anymore. It's one of the fastest growing platforms for creators, entrepreneurs, freelancers, consultants, and business owners. To convert your YouTube video into multiple LinkedIn posts, the first step is download the transcript of your video. I have already done a video on how you can download the transcript of any YouTube video of yours. I will link it over here. You can check it for reference purpose. Once you have the transcript downloaded and saved in a file, now second is we'll go to ChatGPT, right? So you can use the free version or the paid version if you have, and use this prompt. So I will pin this prompt in the video description and also as a comment. You can use it directly. You can see what I've done is I'm asking it to translate this YouTube transcript into 10 engaging LinkedIn posts. You can make it 5 or more if your video is longer. And each post should have a strong hook, use short paragraphs, some conversational, and with a question or CTA. Keep it under 250 words and avoid sounding like AI, right? So you can add anything else if you have in mind. What I've done is I have downloaded the transcript of this video of mine 8 free ways to get traffic on YouTube, because for demo purpose there are already 8 ways I'm discussing over here. So I can maybe ask it to generate 10 posts, right? And I will now add the file. Hmm. Now once this is done, it will generate 10 posts for me. Now, the important point is don't just copy and paste. Instead, you can add your experience, a lesson learned, mistakes, results, personal opinion, because LinkedIn rewards authenticity, right? So, if this post is generated, rather than copying and pasting it, I would suggest you go through it and see over here. You mentioned it, as it is mentioned, the biggest mistake optimizing for one while ignoring the rest. You can add an example of practical experience which you have, right? You can create different types of posts. Ask AI to create different formats such as story post, guide, myth versus reality, lessons learned, mistakes to avoid. So these are some things which you can add in your prompt itself, right? You can add a call to action as well, like finish it like this. Do you optimize your videos for search before you publish? Or what's your biggest challenge? What's one thumbnail you have recently clicked because it was impossible to ignore? So this is very important. You want engagement on LinkedIn post, right? So you should always have a CTA so that your engagement increases, your posts reach. And bonus tip, instead of asking AI once, ask follow prompts like rewrite this to me with more storytelling, write in a friendly tone, make it sound like Simon Sinek, make it suitable for beginners. So this is the way you can play with it so that your post is not like all the other AI generated LinkedIn posts. So the next time you upload a YouTube video, don't stop there. Turn it into multiple LinkedIn posts as well to reach a professional audience and maximize the value of every piece of content you create. If you find this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave. And let me know in the comments what tutorial you would like to see next.